Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are still playing Tears of the Kingdom a lot, so hopefully today's video is easy and short. I've been wanting to fix this for a while, but just haven't gotten to it. My intuition tells me I needed to open the plastic pieces behind the seat and tighten the fastener here. I tried that and it does not work. So let's do some research and see how to fix that. This is a ridiculously easy fix. It's basically a nut and bolt, and let's go figure out what our toilet has. I should have known that this was going to be a really easy fix. Here is our fastener, and the bottom, I looked earlier, it does have some sort of plastic housing. Let's try to tighten those together and see if we could get it to not wobble. I can't believe that worked. It's much more stable now and doesn't rock too much side to side. So happy it was an easy fix because we could get back to our Zelda now. Video number 149 done.